Chapter 8. From Default to Designer. Most people live by default. They wake up, react to their environment, follow old patterns, and repeat yesterday, sometimes for years. But a few people, the ones who build extraordinary lives, wake up and live by design. They don't wait for motivation. They don't leave their habits to chance. They architect the environment, systems, and identity that pull them toward their goals. And it all starts with small moves, micro habits intentionally planted into the structure of daily life. You are not just a reactor, you are a designer. And today, you begin crafting your personal blueprint. Why willpower alone fails, again and again. Willpower is like a battery. It drains quickly under stress, fatigue, or decision overload. If you rely on willpower to change your life, you are fighting a battle you are designed to lose. But if you build a system, a daily flow that makes good actions easy and natural, you move from struggling to succeeding without force. Good systems beat good intentions every time. How to build your behavioral blueprint. Let's break this down into 4 simple layers. Vision. Where are you going? Before you change habits, define the life you are building. Ask yourself, what kind of person am I becoming? What do I want my days to feel like? What legacy do I want to leave behind? Vision gives meaning to every micro habit. Without vision, micro habits feel random. With vision, every small move becomes a vote for your future. Identity. Who are you becoming? Behaviors that match your identity stick. Behaviors that conflict with your identity fade. You must begin acting like the person you want to become, even in tiny ways, immediately. If you want to be a fit person, start identifying as someone who values movement. A wise person,